Hey, you guys. Again, you can't see me, but it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. We have a good old Shop Miss A unbagging. This is actually the second Shop Miss A bag that I've got in the last month. I didn't film the other one because I felt like it didn't really need to be filmed. It was just a bunch of like kind of standard things because I buy all of my makeup sponges from them. And I got like some cotton rounds and like nose strips, and I was like, it's not very exciting. This one though has some makeup stuff in it, so I thought we would unbag this one together. Plus it's more content. I don't know when you're seeing this, but I do have my Halloween nails on. I don't know if I'm going to post this before or after Halloween, but they're super cute. So this is a typical Shop Miss A package. It's pink. It says it's here, feel good. If you don't know, Shop Miss A is like a site where you can buy a ton of like makeup, home, whatever stuff, travel, whatever, for like $1 each. They do have items that are more than $1. I think there's something in here that's more than $1, but really it's super cheap. And sometimes they have sales where it's like $1 flat shipping or 11% off. So be on the lookout for those. They have like a really good variety of things. So we're gonna open up this baby and just see what I got in here. They do come packed pretty tightly so that nothing breaks. Oh yeah, and a lot of the things have like, you know, a couple cents added because they support different animal foundations. So definitely love that. Okay, so this is the typical pack. It's like bubble wrapped, super strong. They usually give you a little checklist thing. Sometimes I go through this because they put what I ordered on here, but then they give me something wrong. So I always usually keep that in case I have to email them. The emailing thing kind of works. They usually just send you like a coupon code for the next time you buy. I've had to do it a couple times. Let's go ahead and break this. Is that ASMR? I don't know. Just cutting right through this bitch. All right. I'll just dump it out. Can't even remember what I bought. Here's everything I got. I want to say I paid less than 20 bucks for all of this stuff. Let's see here. Let's put it in order. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I got 2 of these. I didn't even know that. So the first thing I got were these reusable cotton pads. I go through cotton rounds like it's nobody's business, and these were advertised as reusable cotton rounds, and they were black, and I thought, okay, that's cute. Maybe I can take my eye makeup off and then throw these in the wash every week. You know, black won't show too much, but I thought it would be nice to have. Maybe I can try and become a little bit more conscious of the stuff I'm throwing away. So I think these were $1 each, and I got 2 sets, so I got 4 total. So that's pretty cool. These 2 things, I got some more lip oils. These are actually rollerball lip oils. I got one in strawberry and one in honey. As you can see, they were $1 each. I'm just obsessed with lip oils right now, so I thought I could put one in my car and maybe one in my purse. Let's see here. Super cute. Okay, so yeah, let me smell. Ooh, yep, that one smells just like honey. The reviewers were like, ooh, it doesn't smell very good. And then somebody was like, well, it's honey. What do you think it's supposed to smell like? So I'm assuming this one is going to smell like strawberry. So that's pretty cool. I'm into that. What is this? Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is like a cuticle pen. So I thought because it's getting colder outside, my nails, the cuticles kind of get really dry. So this is like a pen. Oh. There's 2 sides to this. Let's see. I know this is the side. I don't know. So you're just supposed to be able to like brush it over your cuticles and just kind of like freshen them up a little bit. I don't know if it's working right now. I can't tell on camera, but I got it in the lemon scent because every single other scent was sold out. What? Oh, wait a minute. Ooh. Oh, I bet you that's how you get the oil out. Okay, gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, definitely how you get the oil out. Oh, Lord. Whoops. Okay. I didn't know what I was doing, so it came out kind of a lot, but you can just put that over your cuticles and let it kind of seep in, and it'll make you not look like you have dry zombie hands. You know what I'm saying? So I'm okay with this. I'm happy to have it for $1. All right, next is, oh, okay. I got this little mini makeup spatula. This is like a little silicone spatula that you can use for like lip scrubs or moisturizers that you don't want to like stick your finger in and get it like all up under your nail. So I thought that that would be something handy to have. I did have one from Lange, whatever. But it was like, if this was this big, it was like this big. And I was like, oh, I can't. So I got this for $1. Thought it was cool. Okay, so here's like some makeup things that I ordered. Let's go ahead and open these up. I believe these were all $1 each. And because they're $1 each, it's like, hey, I can just kind of get some like wild colors. But okay, let's see. Okay, so I think I got two lip liners. One in the shade Cuddle and one in the shade Dawn. I kind of got these because I don't have any like brownish lip liners. And I thought, you know, for $1, I could, okay, yeah, very, very smooth. So nice to have that. I'll clean this up when I'm off camera, obviously. Let's do this one. Okay, yeah, I like that. I'm okay with that. So 2 lip liners for $1 each. This one I'm not going to open, but I just got myself a slim brow pencil, I believe in the shade dark brown. I used to use AOA brow pencils all the time, so they're actually not too bad for $1, and I do like myself a slim micro pencil, so that's something. Okay, so I did get these 2 gel liners. I have never used these before, but they had them advertised in the top seller list and they were only $1. And I don't have any crazy colors for gel liners. So I was like, well, what if I want to, ooh, look at that. Okay, I like that one. That one is in the shade Cool Breeze. So I thought with maybe some blues or greens, that might be fun. And then this one, this one is in the shade Starfish. Yeah, Starfish, which I thought would look really cool with a purple eye. Okay. That is super pretty. And you can see they're going on like pretty smoothly. So look, for $1, I'm just saying, like, I have some Wet n Wild lip and eyeliners that were $1. And I mean, like, why not try it, you know? So these will be fun. And this is the one thing that I paid more than $1 for. I want to say because it was a set, it was like $2.55 or something. I'm kind of excited about this one. This is a stainless steel mixing palette. Whoop, sorry. The reason that I bought this is because I saw a video by Smitha that showed how to mix eyeshadow so that you got a more bright and non-patchy eye look. And so she used one of these and one of these to do that. And I'm hoping that I'm going to do a video in the future of like that process and try it. So hopefully you guys will be interested in that. I thought this was like really cute. It was like $3, you know, and she had it in that video. I was like, okay, I'm going to give that a shot. Why not? It's fun to play. So there's my little Shop Miss USA haul. Again, I want to say it was like $20 or under. So if all these things were like $1 plus this, which was like $3 plus shipping and tax, it was about 20 bucks. I mean, look at all that. It's fun. It's fun to play with. Can't really complain. I kind of like everything that I got. So hopefully look for some future videos of me using this shit. And if you're interested, tune in. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment on your favorite Shop Miss USA product if you use it, that would be awesome. I will be sure to check that out. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.